Hi everyone. Okay, so as you'll know, on the 4th of May, I'm walking from Jan Kempdorp to Durban. It is an 832 kilometer track. It is awesome. I'm walking through the Maluti Mountains, which is amazing. Can't wait. I've had a very productive week, so I'd love to share it with you guys. I need to tell you that I have met absolutely amazing people this week. So the first thing is my first stop on the 4th of May at Nelly Guest House has invited me with open arms to come and stay with them for the night, which I want to say thank you very much to Annelie. Annelie, jy is van amazing, baie dankie, waardeer, verskriklik dat jy vir my 'n plekkie gee om te bly. They've had their own run in with some sadness. They lost their daughter-in-law last year through cancer. Annelie and her husband, they are both survivors of cancer, which is amazing. It's awesome. Can't wait to meet you, honestly speaking. On the 5th of May, I am walking to Herzogbul. Now, Herzogbul, unfortunately, I couldn't find any places, accommodation in Herzogbul that is actually still available. So what my support driver is going to do is going to pick me up at Herzogbul, take me through to Wipstad, from Wipstad in the next day, bring me back, drop me off at Herzogbul, and I am on my way again. So, and over there, Gasvry Gastehuis. Cindy, can't wait to meet you. You sound like an awesome person. I mean, the fact that you're giving me a place to stay, I cannot say thank you enough for that. Cherry Lane Guest House in Vicksburg. That is my 12th stop on the 15th of May. And listen up, guys. She told me something really amazing. In actual fact, her father, at the age of 54, walked along the beach to Mozambique. Okay. Barefoot, by the way. If I'm not mistaken, I did go and have a look on the internet to find a little bit about this information, and I can find a Thomo heart and a Sapiwe Ningobo. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Okay, me and my language. So yes, they walked over 1,000 kilometers from Pietermaritzburg all the way to Mozambique and to Durban. I mean, if I did find the right people, and I think I have, it was called the John Ross Challenge, and it was actually a 1,558 kilometers that he walked. They walked, okay, barefoot, and that is amazing. I mean, wow. I mean, yo, I definitely can't compete with that, but I cannot wait to meet these people. They sound amazing. The uncle sounds absolutely amazing. I mean, for him to have accomplished that, and he was walking for cancer. Which is an awesome course to walk for. I definitely think so. Okay, then moving on to Gypsy Wagons and Guest House. That is in Clarence. On the 17th of May, I should reach it as my 14th stop. And I met Shane and Sandy through email, of course, but I mean, we had like a chat. And then, get this, Shane is actually a massage therapist and have offered to give me a foot and leg massage, professional foot and leg massage, before I hit the road again the next day through the Golden Gate National Park, which is a very it's a walk and a half. It sounds like it's going to be a walk and a half. It's through the mountains. It sounds like it's going to be an experience and a half, especially the fact that I'm going to get to see the most beautiful sights imaginable. The mountains. I can just imagine how beautiful it must look in that um, that part of the world. So I cannot wait. Shane has also been very kind to point me in the direction of Robin and Yolandi Lewis. Now they are more stem cell awareness driven, basically mostly due to Robin's own rare disease that he has. I'm going to leave. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link at the bottom for their website. Go and read about it. The story is inspirational. It is amazing what they've overcome and what they've had to deal with, and the things that they are doing to bring awareness to this rare disease that he also suffers from. So, yeah, definitely go and check it out. It is well worth looking into. And then I want to say I am proud that I've got my first sponsor in the form of Primal. Primal is another in-house of Dis-Chem product. It's an in-house product of Dis-Chem, which is like awesome. I had a video call with Laura from Primal, and I'm telling you, she gave me so much of good advice. She was very helpful. I can feel her passion through the screen. I mean, she's really like, taking my cause and making it hers, which is something I appreciate, because I mean that's what I need. I mean, I need people to feel as passionate about this as I do, because this is something very close to my heart. I mean, my granddaughter Lyra means the absolute world to me, and if I'll go to the ends of the earth for her. So yeah, I think together, um, I think we're just going to move mountains for Lyra and the kids with tyrosinemia. So, yeah, I will keep updating you guys. I will keep telling you what is going on every time when something comes up. I will definitely let you all know. Thank you so much for watching my video. It's a bit of a long video. It's not going to be long every time. It's not going to be a long, stretchy video. It's just I needed to introduce you all to these 4 fantastic places that I'm going to be staying at, and definitely share Primal with you all, because amazing. um, yeah, and hold thumbs for me so that I can get some more supporters in. I really need some sponsors, guys. I need that support vehicle. I do not have a support vehicle yet. I am hoping. I am in communication with a few people, but hold thumbs for me that I get a support vehicle, because support vehicle is basically important. It's going to be it's going to be it's going to be everything, because it's going to have all my equipment in it. It's going to have all my food, everything that's going to sustain me and keep me healthy and strong. And it's also going to be my safety, because I mean, there's certain places that's long stretches, and I'm going to need my support vehicle. So, yeah, hold thumbs for me, guys. Thank you for everybody that has connected with me and that has contacted me, given me some positive feedback, encouraging words. I thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.